Hello guys, good day and welcome to another monthly catch-up, season 2, section 22. So as I promise you guys that I will be updating you, this week is the week we are having the fair, and you guys can see we have a lot of work we're working on. Actually, these are clutch purse we're working on. You guys can see I've not been filming for like 2 weeks now because we've been very busy. Even though this one are newly made, you guys can see this is newly made for a client. This is newly, we actually went shopping, and even we have a gele that we make for a client that she's based in the US, work with the US embassy. So this will be sent to her today with that particular matching bag she ordered for this. So we are still preparing. This is the kind of purse, the clutch purse we're making. As you guys can see, it's the same thing as this. So we are making this, the two sides, the large one and the medium one. We are making these two sizes in all those fabrics you see there. So that is what we are up to so far. This is what we have been doing. I don't know if I will be able to update you as much as I want for this month, but I will try my best. For the trade fair as well, we're going to do a little bit of filming the process and everything, so you guys learn from there. If I'm able to film a time lapse, you guys will also see it and learn from there. But whichever way it goes, make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you get updated. Leave in the comment section down below what you think. If you keep learning, if you're learning from this channel, let's know. So after this, we'll be starting some good and interesting content. Finger crossed, good things are coming to this particular channel. So with that, sorry about that. So guys, as I said, you should subscribe to the channel. Leave in the comment section down below what you think. Like all our videos, share this with people you know it might be of help to them. And these are all the top cover, just like you see on that particular post. This one I show you here are the top cover, and this is the other side of it, which contain the magnets. You guys can see the opening. So later on in a subsequent updates, I will show you the opening, how it looks. I might not get time to show you now because I want to work on this and I have a meeting today, so I will be leaving for the meeting, and maybe later on as it continues I will keep you guys updated so that you guys will be aware of what we'll be doing at the workshop. Also, I'm taking that apart from the meeting, we're delivering this today and this to a different client. So as you guys can see, this client requested for a larger one, so you guys can see, and it's looking actually nice. Maybe I will start producing a larger one just like this compared to this. You see, it's more larger. See the difference here. So this will contain more tin and it look more bigger. And initially I didn't know this bag is going to be looking this nice, not until I produce this particular one. So from there, let's see what will happen if we can see make more of that. All these are available for you. If you want to buy, you can send us a DM, you can chat with us in the comment section. Actually, my two WhatsApp will be in the link in the description, so from there you can chat with me and get more updates on this particular stuff here. Enough talking, see you at the continuation of the monthly catch-up. Guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch-up. Few days have passed, more than even a days, more than a week. So I think it's up to like 14 or 13 days. So this particular purse, I am done with it. As you can see, it's looking beautiful. This one, the big one, we are still working on it. I'm just applying gum now. These are the closure for it. So this now, the first side you see is the outside. This is the inside of it. This is how it's supposed to be, and this is its design. I'm just trying to apply gum now. The lining is also ready. We're fixing everything. These are all the outside parts. So once we are done with this, there's still few things I need to do. And from there we'll see. We have a lot of work going on. Our paper bag, we design it ourselves. A lot of work. Even the fair we are doing, you see there. Because actually I organized the fair with a group of members. So Grand Vendor Exhibition here in Abuja. You should attend the second edition. This is the fourth edition actually. By the time this video is coming out, we would have done done with that event. So try to attend the next fair. Also, we got some packaging later. We made some branded t-shirts for King Luxury for this trade fair. Let me just show you one of it. As you guys can see, for King Luxury, you recognize this logo, right, from the other brand for our second brand. That's the logo there as well. So everything is still here, but whichever way it goes, for I think I'm going to make a vlog for the fair, how we package and the work of the process and every other thing, so that I can update you guys. You guys can see and learn from this. So if I'm able to film a time lapse, you will learn again. If I can't, the rest of the work we have to do, we'll just do it and come back to show you guys. Thank you guys for being here. I really appreciate you guys. And by the way, don't mind, most of this bag are for sale. Anyone you want, if you watch this video, you should just point it out. Or if you want a new design, just let me know, screenshot it and send it to me, then we'll make it and send it to you. No matter where you are in the world, you can even get this as a souvenir for the clutch purse. It is very big, enough for your phone. If you're taking this to the club, you're taking it to a wedding, you're taking it to the church, you can use this. It contains a small Bible, and the bigger one contains a big Bible. You see, very portable. And the way it is, the way we design it, we can later on fix a chain to it, so that you can hook your chain to it and carry it as a crossbody clutch. But for now, that's it. I will continue with the work now, and I'll see you at the continuation. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. When you subscribe, share this video with people it might be of help to them. Leave in the comment section down below what you think. If you have any idea, share with us. We can work on and teach you guys in a more reasonable and better way on this channel. See you at the continuation. So guys, this is the continuation of the monthly catch-up. I want to make a quick pause, just like something we've made before, this particular one, man purse. So that's what I want to make 3. I'll try my best to make it as soon as possible. These are all the bag we've made. We are actually making some few cap. We cut it I think 3 days ago, but I was supposed to film. We have a lot of work we're doing at the workshop. As you guys can see, we even make paper bag for ourselves for this particular event, because we are lacking, we don't have much of the paper bag. We just have this one for the light bag collection. The Okin luxury is finished, just few we have, which is this one in here, just few. So we make the smaller one of this, the smaller one for the Okin luxury, as you guys can see. And those are the big ones there. Then for the light bag collection, those are the small ones. We already have the big one. And for the fair we're doing, those are the table tag. The rest of it are not here. It's at the other workshop. So I don't know if I won't be showing you that. You're just lucky that you see that at the workshop here. So these are all the bags we've made so far, and we are still going to make more caps before we proceed to the venue in a few days time. So probably once we are done with this post, I will be ending this video, so you guys will learn a little bit from this, and then I will try my best to make a video at the page, so that you learn as well. You see the way the setting is and every other thing. I'm sorry, I'm losing my voice because it's very early. So guys, thank you for being here. I will see you at the continuation of the monthly catch-up. This is the purse, the clutch. I don't know if I've shown you the way it is this way, but this is it here. I think I'll be using this as thumbnails, if I'm not mistaken, because it's actually gorgeous, very gorgeous. So enough talking, guys. See you at the continuation. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch-up. So guys, we are done with everything we were supposed to do at the workshop. We are done with even the trade fair. I decided not to finish this video before the trade fair, so I'm just doing the outro now. We've shown everything we were able to do, and I think the video for the trade fair will be coming. I didn't film as much as I want, because I did just the video. So I think we have a few pictures. I'll try my best to compile the picture and see if I can upload it after this event. Thank you for being here. For those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, use this time to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell, so that you become one of the first people to get notified when we upload a new video. Give this video a giant thumbs up. Leave in the comment section down below what you think, any idea you have that you think we can implement to keep this channel going and to keep entertaining and teaching people in the right way. Please share with me in the comment section. guys can see, this is now our official lights or King Luxury t-shirts, as you can see here, right at the back, King Luxury t-shirts. So that's the light back there. A lot of updates coming soon.